Airline 28 Golf, 100 degrees, 10 knots, runway 10 clear line.
Please land 10, that's straight takeoff.
Lufthansa 11 Hotel, ask the crew for a longer pushback for breakaway 11.
Edelweiss, wunderschönes Flugzeug. Danke.
Eu não consigo apanhar aqui.
Three 9 kilo, we will be ready upon reaching.
Roger.
Primeiro vinte que apanhei destes gajos foi em December.
Edelweiss 289 kilo, please say again, please.
Edelweiss 289 kilo, line up in right, runway 10.
Lining up runway 10, Edelweiss 289 kilo.
Edelweiss 289 kilo, after departure, contact approach 109.405. Wind 100 degrees, 9 knots, runway 10, clear for takeoff. Thank you very much and have a nice flight.
Thank you very much. Runway 10 cleared for takeoff, Edelweiss 289 kilo, after departure 119.405.